I got it. Alright, we got a trash find. It's a Hoover WindTunnel Bagless, self-propelled Bagless. And so, of course, the tool cover is missing. Well, I don't know what it is with people throwing out vacuums. They say to feel that they need to keep the turbo brush. Like their next $500 vacuum won't come with the one. So, when I take the canister off, and we also found this Auric too. This Auric XL, the Kirby, my Bissell Easy Vac, and 10 more over there. So, it took me 4 minutes to clean this filter. So, when we tested it earlier, efficiency has dropped throughout the cleaning system. So, that's the cartridge filter. And here's the HEPA allergen filter. Here. We got rid of that Hoover Fusion because it's just not good. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a review on it. I'm gonna put the camera down. So first I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in. Just gonna get the cord. Alright, so so this vacuum is not really loud, really. It's a lot quieter than the Bissell that I have, so that I showed in the last video I posted. So we're gonna turn it on. Alright, so I'm gonna set the camera down. My battery's about to run out, so I'm gonna do this quickly. So it is good. So we're gonna turn it on.